In this video, you'll find out how to use the new web interface of Energizer for IMS Connect. First, enter your TSO credentials so you can get access. Under BMC IME Command Center for IMS, you'll see a list of available products. Scroll down and choose Energizer for IMS Connect tile. On the left side of the landing page, you'll get a list of IMS connects that are defined in the mainframe options dataset. The active ones are highlighted in green, and the inactive ones are grayed out. On the right side, you'll get the dashboard that is relevant to a specific IMS connect, in this example, MC5R icon. The dashboard is divided to 5 tabs. The first tab displays the IMS Connect options and the various started tasks that are associated with it. Click on Details for a specific started task to get a detailed information about its configuration. Click on Routing Options Data Stores to see available data stores. Click on ODBM Options Alias to explore different aliases. And you can also click on Exit Definitions to explore the different exits. The second tab allows you to execute commands. The default is set up to execute Energizer commands, but you can also execute ZOS commands or IMS Connect Type 2 commands. The command keywords are built interactively. So after selecting the desired command, let's say display, the appropriate keywords will appear. Pressing execute will fetch the results. You can either re-execute or execute several commands. When the dashboard is getting filled with different results, you can sort by time or clear it completely. The third tab will display a list of active clients. Clicking on a specific row in the list will display additional details on the right card. You can delete a specific client. You can also filter the results by client ID. Or you can use the Filters dialog to pre-filter the data coming from the server. The fourth tab retrieves trace information. You can filter the data by trace type. Maximum trace records to process, let's leave it at 200. You can also optionally provide the start date and time in order to display the trace entries from a specific timestamp onwards. And you can even specify the precision level of start time in milliseconds. Here we can see the transaction trace records. Clicking on a specific row will display a detailed information that can help you resolve problems. You can see the IMS request message header, fixed and user portion, and the actual message itself. The second tab will display the message from IMS. The third tab will display the message to client. The fourth tab will dump the trace records. A successful round-trip transaction will create 10 trace records. Next, we can see the exit results and data store routing information. Clicking on the green info icon will display additional information regarding the specific transaction, including response time. Choosing Event Trace will display trace information that IMS Connect collects. You can expand a specific event to see the record dump format. Choosing Energizer Command Trace will display Energizer commands that have been processed. Choosing History Trace will display trace records that are written hourly. The first table shows totals for data stores and exits since the last statistics reset. The all line shows totals for the IMS Connect. Choosing a specific row will display information for each interval for the selected type of exit or data store. Additionally, you can see analytic charts that analyze the data by volume. Message size, message counts, and response time. The last trace type is Statistics Trace. It's a similar display as the History Trace except for the fact that the trace records are written at the end of each routing cycle, thus it gives you more granularity. The last tab in the dashboard is the Statistics tab, which displays statistics for exits, transactions, or data stores. Clicking on a single row will display additional data in the right card. And you can switch between grid and chart view. For more information, please visit the BMC.com website.